Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search quickly among your notes that you have added your tags in order to find them more easily and quickly. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap in the tag that you are looking for. Now, as you can see, there are 3 notes containing this tag to do. So by the help of adding these tags into your notes, you can search for these particular notes very easily, so thereby focusing on certain types of content in your notes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.